Google Plus is awesome for businesses. Doesn't have that reputation yet, but it does have 350 million users. This is the second most of all social media sites. First thing I would do, if you're setting this up for a local business, is set up a Google business page. This way your results or your business shows up on the map to the right of the results. You also get your address and phone number listed to the right. When you go to set up the Google Places, you're going to be asked to set up your service area. This will be like the city that your business is in. You have to choose a certain category or categories for your business. And you can add a description, you can include photos, or really anything else that'll help users on your place page either see your business, find your business, learn more about your business. But you just want to make sure not to use a P.O. box or a 1-800 number for the Google Places. I don't think Google will allow you to do that because there's just too much chance of fraud, and Google wants to keep it simply for local businesses. Google just created this new dashboard called Google My Business, and this was kind of in response to the confusion that a lot of businesses had between the difference with Google local pages, Google Places, Google Plus for business. There were a lot of different options, and a lot of people were confused about what did what. And so with this new Google My Business dashboard, and you can see it here on the screenshot, you can manage all this stuff from one place. So if you weren't sure whether you had signed up for all of the different options that Google had for business, this will allow you to see which ones you still have to do. You can manage your entire platform from one site, so it just makes the whole process a lot easier. This is google.com/mybusiness. Once you've done that, verify these two pages, your business page and your local plus page. And this is really easy. You just have a postcard sent to your location, or you ask for a phone call, and this is Google's way of eliminating fake accounts. Once you've been verified, and it takes a few hours, your latest content, whatever you post on your plus page, is going to appear to the right of the search results anytime somebody searches for you. If you're trying to build a personal brand or you're representing your startup, I would include your picture in the profile photo and not the company logo. I think people tend to feel more connected with a face. Marketing seems to be moving away from buildings and logos to more people and personal connections. Remember to name your profile photo, or really any photo you upload to your plus page, with good keywords, optimal keywords for your business, because this is just search engine power for you to help you rank higher in Google results. You can also include a caption under your name or your business's name with a link to your site.